Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lee and this channel is all about anxiety, panic attack, and mental health. Guys, my goal is to help people understand what they're going through and to remind them that they're not alone. Let's talk about what causes anxiety. This is one of the questions I get asked the most. Many people think anxiety appears for no reason. Guys, sometimes it feels that way, but in many cases, anxiety develops because of the different factors working together. It can be stress, life experiences, habits, or even the way our brain reacts to a certain situation. Here are some few common causes of stress, guys. Let's think about our everyday, everything we deal with every day. School, work, family responsibilities, financial problems, or even taking care of our loved ones. When stress continues for a long time, our brain stays on high alert. It's like our body's alarm system never turns off. That's why you may notice that you feel worried, more irritable, and you start thinking something bad to happen, even everything seems okay. The next, guys, is lack of sleep. Sleep is the most important for our mental health. When we don't get enough sleep, our brain has a harder time handling the stress. You may notice like when you get enough a poor night's sleep, you will wake up like more emotional, more nervous, and more sensitive even to a small things. Getting enough sleep won't solve everything, but it gives your brain to give a chance to cope with your daily challenges. And the next one, guys, is too much caffeine. Some people love coffee, tea, or energy drink, but for some people, it triggers their anxiety. It makes their hands shake, it makes their heart beat faster, and it makes them feeling restless. So if you already have anxiety, guys, and you feel that those things triggers your anxiety, especially this taking always coffee, try to reduce it and see if you feel better. And lastly, guys, health anxiety. Have you ever experienced a small pain in your body and immediately thought of something terrible was happening? Many people with anxiety experience this, guys. They used to search online their symptoms, checking their pulse over and over, or constantly asking for reassurance. I've experienced myself, and I know it was frightening. I felt so frightened, checking and checking and checking till my nerves become more worse. So that's happened in a person with anxiety. So those are the few common symptoms of anxiety, guys, I mentioned. So if you're going to ask me, is anxiety can get better? The answer is yes. Many people, guys, recover and manage the anxiety very well through the healthy habits like doing exercising regularly, eating balanced meal. They have their routine, yoga, and they talk to someone they trusted. Those are the techniques to get better from that anxiety, guys. So if you're struggling anxiety today, guys, please remember this. You are not weak, you are not crazy, and you are not alone. Millions of people having anxiety, and many of them get better with the right support and coping strategies. I hope you like my video, and if you found it's helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Again, this is Lee. See you again in my next video. God bless us.